Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video, right? Today we just got an unboxing and maybe a front swap. I've been seeing the colors that's in here, so I'm thinking I'm gonna change the color of them, right? So today, first off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, subscribe. All right, we're on the road to 25,000 subscribers. Getting ready for the giveaway. Not quite sure what I want to put in there yet, but we getting there. All right, but today we have a new trimmer from Caliber. This is the Laser Plus. Now on their website, you do got two different options. They have the Laser and the Laser Plus, right? So I ordered the Laser Plus. I also use my discount code Reggie15, save you a couple dollars. Now the difference between the Laser Plus and the Laser 15 is I know for sure that it don't, the original or the regular don't come with the different face plate, so it's just one color. And I'm not for sure if it come with a charger charging stand or not. I know this one does. I'm not for sure if it does. If it don't, I'll put it on the screen if it does or don't. But there is a slight price difference, and if I can look it up real quick. Matter of fact, I just look up if it come with a charging stand or not. So the Caliber Laser Plus is $140 on the website. Of course, use discount code Reggie15. And then the Caliber, the regular laser, is $110. So there's a $30 difference, but they do look like they both come with the charging dock. Only difference is I don't think the other one comes with the different colors and all that stuff. But nonetheless, either way, if you're looking for the maybe I'll order that one too, because I had to order this one. They didn't send this one to me, so maybe I'll order that one too to see if there's a real difference in between, because $30 difference is, if it's the same product and you're not caring about changing the color, you would just get the one for $110. But anyway, this is the trimmer coming from Caliber. Now Caliber is a company that has been kind of absent for a second, right? They haven't been, and when they do drop products, they got some winners, they got some losers, right? But they haven't really been as in the face as some of the other companies have. All right, so you got the LCD screen, brushless motor technology, dual DLC blades, and this does come with two different blades, so that's good. You got 7,500 RPM, long-lasting battery, get a 3-hour runtime off a single charge. It don't say how long it takes to get a charge, but you do get a 3-hour runtime, so that's cool. And it does come with USB-C charging. I love that. Of course, y'all know everything now, well, not everything, but a lot of items are shifting to the USB-C. It's more universal. Again, like a lot of the new phones, they got USB-C, a lot of new products, so it's going to be easier to, if you can't find a charger for one, you can just swap out for the other. You get what I'm saying? It says convertible design, and I'll show you that in a second. And it comes with custom options, which is the different colors and the different blades that it come with. All right, so let's get into the unboxing so we can really put our eyes on what comes in the box. So here we are with the unboxing. As you can see, it's the Caliber box. It's not too much on it. You got a little bit of the information on the back of it. Of course, we will detail all of that, especially in the full review. But you do get, like I said, the basic info in front of the box. Open it up. Now, I have been using it, so you know it does come with a white wrapping around the actual trimmer. I've already taken that off, but as you can see, it does come with the trimmer here. It comes with the gray on the front, and this is the charging block that you do get from Caliber. And one thing I do like about this charging block is the charging block is actually USB-C charging capable as well. A lot of them you will be able to, it's just a regular USB, and then you can charge the clipper with the USB, but this actually has the charging dock with the USB-C. And it comes with the two extra colors for the front facing, the lids. You got the orange, and then you also have the black. And as you will see, I will have a different color on mine later on in the video. And if you would like to see the video on how to change the faceplates out, leave a comment down below, and I definitely will make a video of how to change the faceplates out. So it does come with the wide blade, but they also do send in a thin blade. Using this, I mean, in the box, I'm not a big fan of the thin blades, but I will put it to use. And of course, they got to bring the guards. I don't use guards for my trimmers. You get the caliber screwdriver. Then you also get the cleaning brush, and then, like I said, the Type-C USB-C charging cable. It's a pretty long cable as well. Also included in the box. And then they give you an extra few screws, nothing too major. This is the trimmer here. Like I said, it comes with the gray on the front. And I was trying to, at certain times, get this camera to like zoom in and focus, but it didn't. But you see the USB-C on the bottom of the trimmer. It's like a matte finish on the trimmer, so it's a nice feel. It's very small. Does have a little bit of sound to it though.
If they don't, maybe you can work together to create one. Sometimes people think you all need an estate plan if you are wealthy. That is a misconception. She says anyone who has children or owns assets that are valuable to them should have one. They can even help establish what happens to digital assets like social media accounts, emails, and smart.
So now that we got the unboxing out the way, this is how mine is looking now with the black and orange. This is the UT Vols during if y'all watch college football during Halloween times. Sometimes we bring out the orange and black color. So I wanted to put that black on there and put that orange top on there. So I do like that. And I'm not gonna give a deep review in this video, but I have been using it a little bit so far, and so far we had no problems. We have been able to get some decent lines, but we're gonna really sharpen this blade, maybe try the other blade that comes with it as well, and really put some work into it on bald heads, balding out, beard lines and all that. So I've been able to use it a little bit, but not really to give it that full work through like I want to. All right, so that is the caliber laser. Again, this is $140 on the website. You can use my discount code Reggie15. And yeah, so check me out in about a week or two, and let's see how this really operate. All right. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Peace.